If one of your suspension springs is broken, do you need to replace both sides or even on all four wheels? If you don't notice the suspension spring problem, what else can go wrong? When one of your suspension springs throws in the towel and breaks, it can feel like one of those pricey car issues that crops up at the worst time. The question, though, isn't about timing. It's about safety and performance. Here's the rule of thumb for suspension springs, and really many car parts. When one goes bad, you should replace both on that axle. If the front left spring is now a pile of scrap metal, then its front right partner needs the heave-ho too. Why's that? It's all about balance and wear. Springs wear out gradually, inevitably bending towards their breaking point. If one spring gave in, the other's most likely not too far behind. Swapping springs in pairs keeps things even, Steven. With one new and one old spring, your car could end up lopsided, messing with your alignment like a toddler rearranging a bookshelf, which translates to uneven tire wear, steering pulling to one side, and a generally ungroovy driving experience. Worse still, it could put added stress on your new spring and other suspension components, causing them to wear out prematurely. Now here's the kicker. Some experts and purists will say, since your car's suspension is an intimately connected dance troupe performing the ballet of roadworthiness, you should simply replace all four. That's particularly true if your vehicle is a high-mileage veteran. Consistent wear across all springs means you'll avoid a domino effect of suspension parts going kaput. If you're completely oblivious to a suspension spring problem, you're wheeling around a ticking time bomb of auto issues. Your suspension's vital for keeping your tires firmly hugging the road. Without that firm hug, your grip on safety becomes, well, less grippy. In the rain or at speed on a curve, you could find yourself on a slip-and-slide adventure. But here's the real worry. A broken spring can mess with your car's ground clearance. If the spring gets really cozy with your tire, it can cause a blowout. And suddenly, you're in a car safety instruction video no one wants to star in. In Portland, where I'm from, the roads can turn into an amphibian's dream overnight. So for me, getting a firm handle on a car's suspension is as crucial as a good raincoat. And with the persistent drizzle and occasional potholes hidden like buried treasure beneath puddles, ignoring suspension health is like wearing flip-flops to hike up Mount Hood. Just not the best idea. Long story short, treat your suspension with the respect it deserves. If you've got a broken spring, let it bounce off into the sunset. Just make sure its axle mate joins the farewell tour. Your car, wallet, and future self will thank you. And hey, you'll keep your Portland cruising as smooth and balanced as a single origin coffee pour-over.